Marvel Rivals fans, a juicy leak just dropped, hinting at a game-changing Overwatch-inspired feature coming to your favorite superhero shooter. Is this the key to better matches? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the hottest gaming scoops. Let's dive into this epic leak. Marvel Rivals is already a blast with its wild superhero team-ups, but a new leak claims a hidden credit feature straight out of Overwatch 2's playbook could shake things up. This feature has been in the game since launch, but it hasn't been used yet. Want the details? Keep watching. According to the leak, Marvel Rivals has an unused credit system, similar to Overwatch 2's endorsement feature. Players would earn credits after matches based on good behavior like teamwork or sportsmanship, building up a ranking with cool badges. NetEase Games might be saving this for a future update to reward positive vibes. Sounds like a win for the community, right? In Overwatch 2, endorsements let you praise up to 2 players per match, earning Battle Pass points and boosting their endorsement levels. If Marvel Rivals' credit system works the same, it could make grinding Battle Pass rewards like exclusive skins way faster. Fans have griped about slow Battle Pass progression, so this could be a game changer. Plus, it might keep toxic players in check. What's not to love? The leaker says this credit feature's been ready since Marvel Rivals launched, so NetEase might drop it soon to spice up matches. If it hands out Battle Pass points, it'll make unlocking those sweet Spider-Man or Iron Man skins easier. Will this feature make Marvel Rivals even more addictive? Drop your thoughts below. This leak shows NetEase is listening to players, aiming to boost teamwork and make progression smoother. With Marvel Rivals' epic superhero roster, adding a credit system could keep the community thriving and matches fun. Are you ready to earn some credits for being a team player? That's the scoop on Marvel Rivals' leaked credit feature. Are you hyped for this Overwatch-style system, or waiting to see it in action? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this leak, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming news.